The Simple Path to Wealth is a personal finance book written by J.L. Collins, which offers a straightforward guide to achieving financial independence through investing. The book advocates for a simple investment strategy that emphasizes low-cost index funds and a long-term perspective, allowing readers to build wealth while minimizing risk. Collins emphasizes the importance of understanding the basics of investing, including the principles of compounding, diversification, and asset allocation. He also addresses common mistakes made by investors, such as chasing hot stocks or trying to time the market. The book provides practical advice on how to build a portfolio of index funds, which provide broad exposure to the stock market at a low cost. It also offers guidance on how to navigate the tax implications of investing and how to avoid common pitfalls in retirement planning. Throughout the book, Collins writes in a clear and conversational style, making complex financial concepts accessible to readers of all levels of experience. The Simple Path to Wealth is an excellent resource for anyone seeking to improve their financial literacy and build a secure financial future. Here are some key takeaways from The Simple Path to Wealth. Invest in low-cost index funds. The book emphasizes the importance of investing in low-cost index funds, which provide broad exposure to the stock market at a low cost. Index funds are simple to understand, easy to manage, and typically outperform actively managed funds over the long term. Understand the basics of investing. To be a successful investor, you need to understand the basics of investing, including the principles of compounding, diversification, and asset allocation. The book provides a clear and simple explanation of these concepts, making them easy to understand. Avoid common investing mistakes. Many investors make common mistakes, such as trying to time the market or chasing hot stocks. The book provides practical advice on how to avoid these mistakes and build a successful investment portfolio. Focus on the long term. The key to successful investing is to focus on the long term. This means ignoring short-term fluctuations in the market and staying committed to a long-term investment strategy. Keep it simple. The book advocates for a simple investment strategy that is easy to understand and manage. This means avoiding complex investments and focusing on a few low-cost index funds. Pay attention to taxes. The book provides guidance on how to minimize taxes when investing, including strategies for tax loss harvesting and tax-efficient fund placement. Plan for retirement. The book provides practical advice on how to plan for retirement, including how much to save and how to manage your investments in retirement. Embrace a frugal lifestyle. The book emphasizes the importance of living below your means and embracing a frugal lifestyle in order to build wealth. By avoiding unnecessary expenses, you can save more money and invest it for the long term. Don't try to beat the market. Many investors try to beat the market by picking individual stocks or actively managed funds. However, the book suggests that this is a losing strategy in the long run. Instead, focus on investing in a few low-cost index funds and holding them for the long term. Start investing as early as possible. The book stresses the importance of starting to invest as early as possible in order to take advantage of the power of compounding. Even small amounts invested over a long period of time can grow into a significant amount of wealth. Stay the course. The stock market can be volatile, and it's easy to get caught up in short-term fluctuations. However, the book encourages investors to stay the course and not make rash decisions based on fear or greed. By sticking to a long-term investment strategy, you can ride out short-term fluctuations and achieve your financial goals. Consider your risk tolerance. While investing in the stock market can be an effective way to build wealth over the long term, it's important to consider your risk tolerance. The book provides guidance on how to determine your risk tolerance and invest in a way that aligns with your goals and comfort level. Understand the role of emotions in investing. The book emphasizes the role that emotions can play in investing and encourages readers to be mindful of their emotions when making investment decisions. By avoiding common emotional pitfalls, such as panic selling during market downturns, investors can improve their long-term results. Keep your investment costs low. The book emphasizes the importance of keeping investment costs low in order to maximize returns. This means avoiding high-cost investment products, such as actively managed mutual funds and financial advisors who charge high fees. Consider the impact of inflation. While investing in the stock market can provide strong long-term returns, it's important to consider the impact of inflation. The book provides guidance on how to invest in a way that keeps pace with inflation and maintains your purchasing power over time. Think about your financial goals. The book encourages readers to think carefully about their financial goals and how investing fits into those goals. By setting clear goals and developing a plan to achieve them, investors can stay motivated and focused on achieving their long-term objectives. Be patient. Building wealth through investing is a long-term process that requires patience and discipline. The book encourages readers to focus on the long term and not get discouraged by short-term setbacks or fluctuations in the market. By staying the course and sticking to a simple, low-cost investment strategy, investors can achieve their financial goals over time. Here are 10 of the best quotes from The Simple Path to Wealth. Wealth is not just money. It's options. The greatest financial ally you have is time. The less you spend, the less you need to earn, and the less you need to save and invest. A frugal lifestyle frees you from the tyranny of the paycheck. In investing, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. The most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. The more you know, the more you realize how little you know. The stock market is a giant distraction to the business of investing. The greatest risk you face when investing is not short-term volatility, but the risk of not being in the market. The Simple Path to Wealth is not just the name of this book, but the way to a lifetime of financial security. In The Simple Path to Wealth, author J.L. Collins provides a straightforward and actionable guide to achieving financial independence through investing and embracing a frugal lifestyle. The book emphasizes the importance of keeping investment costs low, focusing on a few simple investment strategies, and taking a long-term view when it comes to investing. Collins also provides guidance on how to avoid common emotional pitfalls in investing, and encourages readers to think carefully about their financial goals and how investing fits into those goals. Overall, The Simple Path to Wealth is an excellent resource for anyone looking to achieve financial security and independence. By following the book's advice and focusing on simplicity, discipline, and a long-term perspective, readers can build a secure financial future and enjoy the freedom that comes with having options. The book's emphasis on frugality, simplicity, and a long-term perspective is both refreshing and practical, and makes it a must-read for anyone interested in building wealth through investing.